Hey guys, I know I've been a bit quiet on the vlog recently, a little bit more than usual. Life just gets in the way at times. So, taking on a little trip today to Colwyn Bay, where we're going to pick up some prints. So I've started shooting 35mm film just recently. When we were moving house, I found my dad's old Pentax MX and just fell in love with it. I thought the light meter was broken, so I really had to think about my exposures. But it turns out I put the batteries in the wrong way. The meter now works. But through that, I've already sent 2 rolls of Ilford HB5, and I've currently got a roll of Kodak 400TX, which I'm going to try and finish off today and hand in for development. Then just this week I also picked up a Pentax ME, which is a more sort of automatic point and shoot kind of film camera really, but still the same sort of quality you're going to get from the MX. So I've got a roll of Kodak Ultramax in there. Yeah, see how that turns out as well. Colwyn Bay, we're down on the promenade and it's surprisingly sunny. You don't get this sort of weather in the summer here. You can see behind me that's the pier, which unfortunately is in the process of being demolished. I think they have tried a couple of times to revamp it, but due to one thing or another they've decided to just knock it down. Hasn't proven worth it to keep it standing, which is unfortunate. There's sculpture on the promenade here as well. These, I believe they're iron silhouettes of folks on the beach, which is pretty cool. This would be really good at sunset actually as well. I can't remember the name of the artist, but I'll stick his name in the description here. Let's have a little wander on the beach. I should say today I'm not even shooting any digital images, purely using the Pentax MX. So I've got black and white film using Kodak 400TX. I just need to use the film up so I can hand it in to get developed. Yeah, I think they're coming out alright. It's a lot easier now. I've got a light meter working inside the camera. But we'll wait and find out, I suppose. The film didn't expose. So yeah, the 2 rolls of film that I'd left to be developed, which I was supposed to be picking up on this trip to Colwyn Bay. I walked in there and neither of them had actually even been exposed. Sure, this is what you can actually see on the film. Absolutely nothing. Though you can still see along the top that it still says Ilford HP5+, which is exposed onto it before it's packaged. So there's nothing wrong with the film. It's perfectly in date. I only bought the film a few weeks ago, and the only explanation that either myself or the fellas in the shop could think of is that I just hadn't quite wound it through properly when I've been loading the film, which I think it must be the answer. I cannot think of any other reason that it wouldn't work. So I've got in the ME, I've got another roll of the Ilford HP5. I dropped off a roll of Kodak 400TX black and white film, because initially I wanted to see what the difference was between the Ilford and the Kodak. And while I was emptying that out of the camera, supposedly it felt alright. There's the right sort of tension as you're winding the film back and everything. So yeah, really hoping that this overall turns out alright. There's no reason that it shouldn't do. And I'm really taking care to make sure that I've properly got the film in as well now. Even if it means losing an exposure or two, just to make sure that it is winding through properly. But there we are. Fingers crossed. I'll be popping in the next few days, and then I suppose I'll have to do a reveal video, which will be exciting. I was dead excited to pick up these 2 rolls, and nothing came from it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry to disappoint that I've got no pictures yet, but stay tuned and I'm sure we'll have something in the near future. So, ta-ra.